Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial we will know how to create such a designer ceiling in a SketchUp. So one of my follower on Instagram asked how to create such designer ceiling in a SketchUp. So let's start guys. So here first you need to create a frame. Okay, so first you have to draw a rectangle. So I'm pressing R and creating a rectangle, and this is 4 feet by 12 feet in size. Okay. Now here for framing, quick framing, you have to use 1001 bit tool. Okay. So just select the face and click over here at this option, and then you have to set the parameters. So here I'm selecting the width of the frame. Okay. You can follow this instruction. Okay. And then you have to click over the create a screen option. So when you will click, a frame will be ready. So here I am deleting this extra faces over here. So select entire face and delete it. Okay. Now my frame is ready. Now next step is to create a rope kind of a structure that is in a zigzag shape. Okay. So here I'm measuring I'm taking the 1.5 feet dia. Now guys, here you have to use Fredo 6 tool. So first select the circle with edge, then click over here and select curvature option and just fill the parameters. Now delete this bottom and this is straight line over here. I will use this one. So just move it with control to copy and type X5 to 5 number of copies. Okay. Now guys, you have to select all the arc line and just scale it like that. Just scaling just like that. Okay. You have to follow this. And here we will use the JHS Power plugin. Use line to tube option and fill the parameters. So again, I'm clicking over here and taking the dia of pipe is 3 inches, 0.7 inches. Okay, that's it. Now my rope structure is ready. Here I'm just moving it and scaling it to place between the frame. Okay. Now you need to copy over here and rotate it. Now we have to again copy over here and follow the same pattern. This is in a zigzag pattern. So just place this one over here and this one over here. Now select all and move with control and type X3 to 3 number of more copies. Now guys, for a rope texture, you have to just select the color of this rope and click over here and select the texture of rope. Okay, that I have downloaded. And here you can see that I have just matched the color of the previous color that I have applied by clicking over here. Okay. So guys, I hope you have liked this video and definitely it will help you to create such complex designer ceiling in SketchUp. So if you really like my video, please share, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial guys. Thank you.